Hey guys, welcome back to the Cupcake Jenna studio and our favourite sofa. I'm literally on the edge of it because we have something very, very exciting to tell you, don't we?
Do we?
We do.
Yes,
What?
we do. We have some big news, guys. We have been working for the last few months on a very, very exciting project, and we can finally reveal that that project is our very first Crumbs and Doilies book.
Woo!
Yes! You guys, since the cake book, you have been gagging for another book. You ask us all the time, when are you going to do another book? Well, we're doing another book, but this one is going to be all about the Crumbs and Doilies bakery, isn't it?
Yes, it is.
It's going to be published by Penguin Michael Joseph. It's going to be out in November. So super soon, and it's a physical book. A hardback book. You'll be able to hold it in your hands, take it to bed with you at night. It's going to be a real piece of who we are, isn't it?
It
Yeah,
is.
and it's going to be showcasing all of the amazing creativity that goes on at Crumbs and Doilies, because there is way more to Crumbs and Doilies than these three beautiful faces.
It's not all about us, is it?
There's an entire team of amazingly talented creative bakers and all the guys that work in the shop and our office as well. This is going to be all about them. There's going to be over 80 recipes in this book, some of your favourite Crumbs and Doilies recipes, but also a whole heap of brand new recipes that we have created just for this book. So none of you have seen them. We haven't been able to say anything about them, so we cannot wait to share these with you.
Yeah, and all of the recipes will be split into 5 different chapters. So we've got basics and techniques, we've got cupcakes, cakes, brownies and tray bakes, and cookies. And what's really unique about this book is that there's going to be a photo for each recipe. We've already done a week's worth of photo shoots, and the cakes and the pictures are looking immaculate. They've never looked better, and we're so excited for you to see it.
We are. We're super excited. This really is going to be a book for you guys. You know, some of you have been on this journey with us since the beginning of the YouTube channel, some even further back than that, since the very first market stall I ever did in 2006. Wherever you came to do in our timeline, we are so grateful to have you, and this book is really going to be for you. We couldn't be more excited to share it with you. I think you're really going to love it.
Yeah, and now that the secret is out, we are taking you with us. We've got another week of photo shoots to do, and we've got like loads more recipes, and we're taking you with us. You're going to come behind the scenes. We're basically not going to stop talking about this until November, and probably beyond November as well.
We should probably stop talking about it a little bit, otherwise they'll be like, oh, this book, when's it going to be out? Well, when is it going to be out, Dan?
Well, the 24th of November it will be out, but you can pre-order it right now, and the link to do that will be in the description box below. So go and head over and do that right now.
Yeah, do pre-order it. It's going to be out in time for Christmas, so make sure that's on your Christmas list, or you know, if you're struggling for present ideas, then you know what to do. But pre-ordering really will help us when the book comes out on the first day. It will put us in the charts in a good spot, so it really does matter. So we would be very grateful if you did pre-order.
Cool, get us to #1, guys.
Finally, #1 in something. Well, thank you again. We cannot wait to share this book with you in real life, and we are so grateful to have you, aren't we?
Yeah, totally.
Yeah.
Thanks, guys.
See
Thanks.
you soon.
Bye.
Bye.